go back. I wonder if I can just have it going all the way back. Instead of just saying on select action, we'll do on enemy cancel and see if that would do it. Oh, this window just does not want to go away again. Show, hide. Oh, I wonder if we have. I wonder if we're not unselecting a window that we should be unselecting. When we open the steel window, what normally happens here? On enemy OK. Right. Hide input windows. Let's give that a try. It doesn't want to go away. Oh! Oh! So I need to cancel twice. What's happening there? Something else is still activated, I'm sure. On enemy OK. Set the target. Instead of select next command, what does that do? Change input window. Let's keep this hidden for now. I want to see what's underneath. Alright, so it goes straight back to the command window. Why? Is it your fault? Hide sub input windows. What does this do? No command window, right? Actor command window. Close command windows. On enemy OK. Oh. I wonder if it likes this, if that's part of the reason why we don't just go back to the command. Right, let's do it. I want to see again. What normally happens here? So we go attack, we click on someone. Oh, undefined. Steal 124. So we call the usual, it runs this, and this breaks suddenly because of something we've done. So why would this I'm not sure how, if we're using something that isn't a steal item skill, I don't see how this is breaking it. If we're using a skill and the skill has the steal item tag, which this shouldn't. Enemy index of undefined. Three five five one. Why is the enemy window undefined? Okay, let's just start spitting out some console logs to see what's going on. So not steal item skill. Enemy window. So battle enemy is a thing. Enemy index. This dot enemy. So it's is it something up here I've forgotten to do? Have I overwritten something and not called it? No, wasn't that. Very weird. So if I take this out, it works. A little bit baffled by this. Oh, I wasn't giving it context. Okay. Okay. So that's a bit of a non-issue then. Okay. So when we open the steel window, it hides. Okay. Why does the command window then activate? What runs that makes the command window activate? Something like this. Select next actor. Something. Finish actor input. So if nothing happens here, if nothing runs, what what becomes active and why? It goes back to this window, even though nothing has been chosen, nothing is supposed to happen. So that's what we need to find out. Why does this window get activated again? That is the party actor command window. Start actor command selection. This is all cancel, which should be fine. Close. Deactivate. Close. Setup, then close. Show. So when does this run? Change input window. Let's see when this runs. Alright, so let's go. Yeah, change input window runs. If is inputting, is inputting. When does this change then? Jesus. So this is never called here, but this, if needs input window change, select next command. Is this what's running? God. No, that's not running, so that's fine. Update window visibility. So this is running constantly. Update window visibility. Why is this running a billion times? Let's see. Update visibility. So it runs in the update function, update visibility, update input window. If needs input when is any input window active? Ah, okay, so we might just need to add our window here. Let's get rid of this. So let's say is any input window active? It's an annoyingly long one. And then at the start, we can try and return our own one if it's active. Oh, seems like I've deleted something important. Whoops. Let's go back. This open steel window. Okay, okay. So change input window can go. And I'll just paste that. Okay, so first of all, we want to check if this dot steel item window is active, return true, otherwise we will bleed through and then just return what we captured. And remember to pass in this time. So this will also return true if our window is active now. Which, you know, maybe this won't fix the problem, but maybe it will. So let's see. Show and activate and select. And let's see what happens. Not bad, not bad, but for some reason all the items are gone now. Oh yeah, we didn't set the enemy. Okay, doke. So it doesn't look like we need these. Enemies blinking away, which is cool. And then if I cancel, it takes us back here. Let's see if we can just cancel straight back to the selection like I wanted to do originally. So instead of an enemy cancel, let's say this select on select action. I think that's what I wanted. Nice steal. Then we go back. Oh, that's so good. So good. Would be nice if we could just hide this window and then reselect the enemy window actually. So let's put a postponement on that and let's just say what if we hide and deactivate our window and then activate the enemy window. Sorry for all these bleeps. I need to have it on today. Oh, this is great. This is looking great now. Okay, that's fine because we've not even set any of this up. So we'll get rid of that. Okay, so when we click OK, what happens? Uh, um, Alright, so that's annoying. I thought that would just go ahead and do what we expected, just copy what was already there. Let's say on enemy OK. So it gets the action again. It will set the target. That's the bit I thought would be fine, but it seems like it's breaking. And then move on to the next person. So let's just go again. Let's just go again and just read. So special, steal, and then we'll pick something. Enemy index undefined. It's that again. It's the same, the same issue, but at least now we've seen it, we can fix it much quicker. It's always how it goes. We'll try and steal Dragon Blade. Okay, so we need to hide the window. And we'll deactivate. But we also want to store that somewhere. We want to store that we are trying to steal that item. Can we just pop it on the action, I wonder? Say let the action equal this. Steal item data, let's just make it equal to this dot steal window. Item, maybe? Don't think we need that. Let's see, if we grab item, okay, that's fine. We'll just grab dot item. Dot item. And let's log out the action steal item data. Let's just make sure it's actually done something. Data class weapon number 5. Sounds about right. And then we can progress on with doing whatever we were doing. Now we need to catch, this is something I haven't done before. We need to catch the action happening and then simulate it actually doing something, since we know it's not really doing anything to the game enemy. Now I'll put a cut here, since I think this is already a couple of videos long.